went to Home Depot, spent about $300 to get the wood and the nails, or screws I should say, to build the walls in the original home that we have. That's the rest of the wood there. And then I've got some right there already unloaded. They're 62 by 4 by 8s. And I'm going to build a laundry room, put walls up for a laundry room and walls up for an office, so that we can have an office and a laundry room and a bedroom in the same house, in our original cabin. So wish me luck. It took me forever at Home Depot. I don't know what it is, but every time you do something over there, they want to take forever to get you loaded up. They try hard, but they need more help. All right. Okay, folks, I'm cutting the wood outside and I'm bringing it in and laying it out in the pattern that it's going to be. Every 16 inches, you'll have the center of a board. So it's 16 inch on center, and it's going to take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 2x4s this way to make the whole wall. So I'm going to cut them to 86 inches tall, and then I'm going to put 2x4s on top, probably double it up. So let's see how this goes. Okay, I'm going to build the rest of this wall, make an opening for the door with kings and jacks, and then I'm going to build another wall this way, and this part will be the laundry room, and this part will be the office, and from this wall forward will all be bedroom. Okay, let's get started. All right, I got this wall built. I'm gonna move it to the side for now, and I'm gonna build the wall that goes inside the laundry room to separate the laundry room from the office. So let's get this out of the way for now, and then we'll start on that wall. Okay, that should hold it up good. And we'll get busy. This is 139 inches, which is a little over 11 feet this way. And let's get busy. got the wall finished. So this will be the wall that the headboard sets on for our bed. Then Rhonda can come in here. We're gonna fix this area up for the office. And then you're gonna have a wall here with cedar on it, both sides, and insulation in it. Then you'll walk through this doorway, and this will be the laundry room in here. The laundry room's gonna have the washer, the dryer, and a sink, and then a pantry for hanging clothes and everything. I'm gonna move that washing machine out of there, or that dryer, and put it right there next to the sink. So that's how that's gonna be. Then we just walk right out, and we're back in the bedroom, which this will all be bedroom now. It's under construction right now, but it's all gonna be bedroom.